In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new payment method to your Hostinger account. Whether you're setting up for the first time or just updating your information, I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a smooth process. So, let's dive in and get you all set up. First, we'll need to log into your Hostinger account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in www.hostinger.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see an option to log in. Use the email and password that you registered with to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually a Forgot Password link you can use to reset it. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the H panel, which is the control panel for managing your Hostinger services. Next, you'll want to navigate to the billing section. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see a sidebar with various options. Scan through the list and click on Billing. This section is your main hub for managing payments and examining your transaction history. Once you're in the billing section, find and click on Payment Methods. This is where you'll be able to see your current payment methods and add a new one if you need to. Now, to add a new payment method, you'll want to click the button labeled Add Payment Method. It's usually prominently displayed and easy to spot. Once you click on it, you'll be given several options for your preferred payment method. Options typically include credit or debit cards, PayPal, and sometimes other regional methods based on where you're located. Choose the option that best suits you, and then proceed to enter the required payment details. Make sure to double-check the information you provide, as errors can lead to failed transactions later on. After entering your payment details, there's an option that you might find useful. You can check a box if you want to set this new method as your default payment option. This means that anytime you have a renewal or need to make a payment, this method will automatically be chosen, saving you from having to select it each time. If this sounds good to you, go ahead and check that box. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This will ensure that all the information you've entered is securely stored in your Hostinger account. If you've set it as the default, it'll be ready for the next renewal or any new purchases you decide to make. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new payment method to your Hostinger account. Keeping this information up to date helps ensure that your services continue without interruption. If you ever need to update or change your payment method again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.